Want to fix TikTok comments that won't load or post? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First, you want to check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak or unstable network often blocks comments from loading or sending. Next, you want to force quit TikTok. Now reopen TikTok and check. If that fails, you want to clear the app cache. For that, open up settings. Now tap on apps. Find TikTok and tap on that. Now tap storage. Then select clear cache. Once that is done, you also want to make sure you're running the latest version of TikTok. To check, open Play Store, tap on the search bar, type TikTok and search for that. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the app. Now, if you still cannot load or post comment, then you want to head over to your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, select settings and privacy, scroll down and select report a problem. Scroll all the way down and tap on chat with us. Now contact the customer support and describe your issue. Then they will help you fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.